If you're struggling with that stubborn lower belly pooch or a weak pelvic floor, give me the next 5 minutes to help you get rid of it. No equipment, no crunches. What's up, gang? I'm Taylor, your hormone happy coach. Today, I'm taking you through a deep core circuit that actually flattens your waist and helps protect your back. We'll be moving intentionally and stacking simple, beginner-friendly drills that you can do right from your living room floor. Ready? Hit subscribe, roll out your mat, and let's fire up that inner core starting now. Start in a lying position with knees bent, feet flat on the floor, arms relaxed by your side. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, gently draw your belly button down towards the mat, like you're zipping up tight jeans. Without letting your back arch or ribs flare, slowly slide one heel out along the floor until your leg is nearly straight. Keep your hips stable and core engaged. The goal is control here, not speed. Inhale as you return the heel back in, exhale, and switch sides. This move is all about reconnecting with your core from the inside out. Keep one foot firmly pressed on the ground. Before lifting, take a deep breath in. As you exhale, brace your core. Think about pulling your ribs down and zipping up through your lower abs. Press through your heels to slowly lift your hips up off the ground. Switch sides. If your hips wobble or drop, try a smaller extension or reset the glute bridge before lifting the other leg. Imagine your glutes doing the lifting, not your lower back. Press your heels into the ground, engage your core, and lift your hips up into a glute bridge. Your body should form a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Now, keeping your hips level and steady, slowly lift one foot just a few inches off the floor like you're doing a slow march. Avoid letting your hips dip or twist. Your glutes and core should be doing all the work here. Gently press your lower back into the mat and draw your core in like you're zipping up your abs. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, lower your right leg slowly toward the ground, only as far as you can without your back popping off the mat. Inhale to bring the leg back up, then switch sides. Left leg lowers while your right stays tall. Move slow and steady. Think of this as a deep core challenge, not as a speed test. Keeping your hips still and ribs pulled down, no flaring or rocking side to side. If your back starts to lift or you feel tension, bend your knees slightly or lower your leg less. You should feel this low and deep in your abs, not in your back or neck. Start seated with your hands behind you for support. Bring the soles of your feet together, open your knees out wide, like a butterfly position. Lift your feet slightly off the floor and brace your core. This is your starting position. Exhale as you kick your legs out in front of you, keeping your feet together and knees wide. Avoid collapsing in the chest or rounding the back. Think about using your lower abs to control the movement, not momentum. And if that still feels too hard, keep the kickouts smaller or place your hands closer for more support. Great job, girl. You just crushed that 5 minutes. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can join the gang and never miss another workout.